Okay. I'm gonna find a different way.
Man above take care of me though, so don't worry about it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Cause I am.
Oh yeah, this totally looks like a spot.
Speed limit, okay?
Okay. It's about 4:30. I got about 18 miles to the next gas station, somewhere I can get out of the wind and get a cup of coffee is all I really want at this point. But for the last hour I went literally 4 miles, so I got 18 more to go, and it's gonna be dark in about an hour. May the force be with us. Well, I finally got out of the wind. It started raining. It's really wet out here. This sucks. This is the worst bicycling day I've freaking ever had in my life. And if the winds aren't 60 miles an hour knocking you off your bike there, it's raining. It's nasty. It's just horrible day. I just want a cup of coffee. I don't know where I'm sleeping. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know where I'm going. But we're going. It's just can't stop here. It's just nothing but barbed wire. The entire 40 miles, just 40 miles of barbed wire. Let's keep going. Ooh. There it is. Ooh, Shangri-La. Sweet salvation at last. A break from this miserable nightmare of a day. Oh God. What a day. I was beginning to think this might be in my imagination, but it's here. It's a real thing. This place exists. Let's go. Let's go get a coffee. Alright, I don't know what time it is, but I got me some coffee. I got all my stuff in there charging. I just ate 2-foot-long sandwiches. 2 of them. I ate them both. I was hungry. I was really hungry. Now, I'm just going to let this stuff charge for a little bit. It's all dying. It could take hours. This place is open 24/7. I'm just posted for now. Check it out. Nice. This is Truckstop right here. $13. I wouldn't usually do this, but my birthday was yesterday. I ain't seen a store since then. I've been blessed. It's 12:30 at night. They told me I could stay in here as long as I want. No time limit. 2 hours, 3 hours. I could sleep right here. Legally. I paid to be in here. I'm allowed to be in here. I'm here. I'm going to take a shower. Get freshened up. Hey, it is 2:30 in the morning and I feel great. I must have spent 2 hours in there, just like I thought. Yeah, hey. Whew. Now, what to do? Chill out for a little bit, drink some coffee. Cool, we're passing some time. It's about 3:30 now. The employee at Subway gave me $3 just talking to him. Then I went and get a refill, some coffee, and they didn't charge me for that. It's going good. It's going really good. Sprinkling a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the sun. Head on down the road. Found a campsite about 8 miles away. I'm just gonna wait for that. Yeah. Until then, we'll be hanging out here. About 3 hours till the sun comes out. Perfect.
Over here at the pilot, truck stop, worker. I'm on my way to have my 5th kid. Hell yeah.
What's your
Y'all
name?
have a good day. Corey. Yep.
Make sure he stays blessed, y'all.
Yeah. Have a good one, guys.
Word.
Hell yeah.
Okay, it's about 6:30 in the morning. Still no sunshine. It's a little sprinkly. That's all right. I've been hanging out with Carl, man, back there behind the counter, Subway employee, all night. It's been pretty fun, actually. Oh, he gave me like $30 too. He gave me a container full of shit with like 20 bucks in change, and it's like $10. Gave me a bunch of smokes. Just been kicking it with him. They gave me free coffee twice. I went in there to fill up my coffee. They're not charging me. They're like, "Well, you want to hang out here all night? Cool. Here's some free coffee and some money." Balling. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Sky's turning a little blue, but I don't see no light, and I'm not riding out in here, so we're just chilling still. We're posted. Appreciate you, Carl. It's a little after 7 o'clock. That's the sky. No sun right now. That's okay. You know, I feel great. I had a nice shower. I had a fun night, actually, really fun. So I'm just gonna go across that the highway right here. This is good old Route 66. I'm gonna go check out this town over here. See if I can't find me a belt. So I need one of those. Let's go check it out.
You never know if you just glanced at the surface. Said I was a kid that was hurt between searching for purpose, not cursing and trying to be perfect. Was tired of working, was tied up in all of society's curses. You would never tell, cause that smile, it never failed. Man of steel, I'm surprised that I managed still. I can't trust everything on my TV screen. Started getting back into them deeper things.
I might have made it a mile down the street before my feet started to get a little wet. You know, I gotta be quite honest with you. I'm pretty pleased with the weather right now. If the sun was shining, I'd feel so good. I'd probably just pedal on down the road to Albuquerque. Yeah, my head, I'm ready, but my body, I think my body needs a break. So there's a campsite, a legal one that I can put up a tent. About 6 miles down the road. We got some 2 pounds of steak, coleslaw, potato salad, baked beans, barbecue sauce, 2 bananas, a loaf of bread, and a bag of chips for $13. That's cheaper than the 2 subs at Subway. It's way better. Loaded, looking good. The internet says there's a thrift store block down the road that opens in about 30 minutes. I really need a belt. Let's go see if we can find one. I sat around, I waited. It's 9 o'clock. The sign says open 9 o'clock. But I don't see anybody in there. All the lights are off. I don't know. I don't feel like standing around anymore, really. Or maybe they're not opening. It happens in small towns. All right. Let's keep moving. Cool beans. I was heading on out of town. Found another thrift store that was actually open. Check it out. Got me a belt. 25 cents. And then I just had to spend $2 on this because it's cool. Headlamp. Let's go. Well, you know how that goes. Okay, I think it's about 7 miles. It's not really raining right now. I think it's going to be a smooth ride. Let's try it.
Yeah. I'd like to welcome everybody to the Truman Show. I'd like to welcome everybody to the Truman Show. Well, I make it, guess we all gonna see.
Check that out. Spaghetti squash all up and down the highway. Well, it's not really a highway, but a road. Look at that. Mad spaghetti squash. Free for the taking.
I've been tripping up knowledge, third eye spending my noggin. I can see clearly through all of the nonsense. Be cautious, they trying to keep everyone boxed. And we lost in the darkness, we're deep in the odyssey. There's still a spark in that light that's like conscious. The pure stuff content pouring into your mental process. When I spend that thing at the concert, I got it like this.
Okay. Looks like just a few more mountains and we're gonna get to relax for a little bit. I know it. I know it. I feel it coming. Let's do it. It helps a lot if you just go side by side like this and you just go up a little bit at a time, you know? Like when it's super steep like this and you just don't want to walk it, just side to side. You see, it'll get flat. You go up a little section, you get a little break. It's not bad that way. You can get to the top. Just slow. Got him. Oh, there's rain up here. That's cool. I'm getting hot. Well, this sucks. This is way harder. Dang it. It's been like 50 miles of freaking hell. I should have known it was going to be a rough ride when I said it was 60 miles to Route 66. This has been one hell of a ride. The past 50 miles, 40 yesterday and like 6 so far today. This is gnarly. Ow. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. I'm completely surprised that I haven't gotten there yet. It's been hours. This is the spot. Victory. Haha. Yes. Set up a tent, cook some food. I'm hungry. What time is it? It's not even 1 o'clock yet. It's 12:42. We got plenty of time to chill. Yeah, it's looking good. We got the baked beans in there, and we got the 2 pounds of steak, the whole bottle of barbecue sauce, the onion, the 2 jalapenos, the 2 other peppers in that one. And the shoes are drying. They got wet first thing this morning, but they are drying now. And this stuff is looking good. Oh yeah. All right. Last night, I ate 2 foot-long subs. Tonight, I'm gonna eat 2 pounds of steak, can of baked beans, side of potato salad, and a side of coleslaw for dinner. I'm gonna get some good rest. I think tomorrow we're ready to hit Route 66. I'm pretty excited we finally made it. It's about 3:30, 4 o'clock. It's nice. It's nice out here. It's a really good spot. So, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Cool beans.